If your vehicle feels less stable than it used to or you notice excessive body roll and loose steering, replacing worn sway bar links can make an immediate difference. MOOG sway bar links are designed to restore solid handling and predictable steering response, helping you feel more in control every time you drive. From daily commuting to towing and highway cruising, this upgrade brings back the stability your suspension was meant to deliver. Installation is one of the biggest advantages. Innovative molded bushings hold coated washers securely in place, while the easy thread 1-inch barrel lock nut makes the process faster and less frustrating than traditional sway bar links. Whether you are a professional technician or a DIY enthusiast working in your garage, the design helps reduce installation time and eliminates common fitment issues. These sway bar links are manufactured using premium materials selected for strength and long-lasting dependability. Each component is engineered to handle the stress of daily driving, road imperfections, and heavy loads without premature wear. MOOG applies problem-solving design technology to ensure the right fit and performance for your specific vehicle application. Quality you can trust comes from rigorous testing throughout the design and development process. MOOG engineers perform comprehensive testing to verify durability, fit, and performance before the part reaches your vehicle. This attention to detail helps deliver consistent results and long service life. With comprehensive coverage available for both domestic and foreign vehicles, these sway bar links are a reliable choice when replacing worn suspension components. Drivers report noticeable improvements in steering feel and overall stability after installation, especially compared to old, worn-out links. If you are ready to improve handling and enjoy a more confident drive, check the product link in the video description to learn more and purchase today. Subscribe to the channel to explore more reliable automotive parts and smart upgrade solutions.